This video will show you the differences between a major in accounting and finance and the opportunities that they can provide. According to PayScale, the average pay of someone with a bachelor's degree in accounting is $71,000, and the average reported pay for someone with a bachelor's degree in finance is $72,000. The similarity could be because there is some overlap in the jobs that a finance major and an accounting major will qualify for. A degree in accounting should give you good job opportunities with just a bachelor's degree. This is because the degree can qualify you for a number of accounting roles, and it can also qualify you for roles in related fields such as finance and business, since the accounting knowledge is useful in many business applications. However, a lot of the more lucrative accounting roles will require you to be a CPA. Usually you need to complete 150 credit hours of classes to become a licensed CPA. As a result, it is also common for people to get a master's degree in accounting as well, since a bachelor's degree will usually only get you 120 credit hours. However, another option would be to dual major in something such as finance as well, since this will allow you to get to over 150 credit hours without getting a master's degree. Jobs that people get with a bachelor's degree in accounting can include accountant, account manager, financial analyst, tax manager, and a financial advisor. Jobs that people get with a master's degree in accounting includes forensic accountant, managerial accountant, and an auditor. A finance degree can also qualify you for a number of different types of jobs that are available to people with just a bachelor's degree. According to the data on PayScale, types of jobs people get with a finance degree includes financial analyst, data analyst, investment analyst, financial advisor, and a credit analyst. Something to consider about the jobs you will qualify for with a finance degree is that they are often reported as being stressful jobs. This is likely to be due to high working hours, high levels of competition, and some of them being commission-based. Another thing to consider is that it can be very difficult to land more lucrative roles in areas such as investment banking if you do not go to a target school. With that being said, finance majors do get paid well compared with most majors, and finance jobs are expected to grow by more than the average across all jobs, according to the Bureau of Labour Statistics. Also, finance jobs have the potential to pay very well if you can make it into senior level positions. An accounting major can be difficult, especially in the junior and senior years when the classes become more specialised. Overall, accounting is generally considered as being a moderately difficult degree. The same could also be said for a finance major. When compared with a finance major, you can expect accounting to be equal in difficulty. If you are thinking of majoring in accounting, it could also help to minor in finance. This is because many people with accounting degrees end up in finance. Getting a finance minor should help you when looking for jobs within finance. Getting an internship in the field could also help a lot. If you want to go far in accounting, it would also help to complete the CPA exam as soon as you are able to. This is because many of the more desirable jobs require that you have completed the exam. While accounting is a degree with good job prospects, it can still be competitive. With that being the case, it would help you a lot to try to get some summer internships while you are completing the degree. Like accounting, a finance degree should qualify you for a lot of good paying jobs. If you enjoy competitive environments, a finance degree could suit you well, since many of the job roles can be very competitive. Also, finance does have very high potential pay in the long run, since senior level positions can pay very well. However, finance jobs tend to require long working hours, and the jobs often have low job satisfaction ratings. Before choosing the major, it would help a lot to consider what sort of working environment would suit you the most, and what you would find satisfying personally. Also, it is not uncommon for finance majors to find themselves in roles that require a lot of accounting. As a result, getting a minor in accounting can go well with a finance major, and it should increase the job prospects of the major considerably. Ultimately, both majors come with good job prospects. It would help a lot to consider what sort of job you would be most interested in, and to choose your major accordingly.